So then you put the ball in the hands of Andy Dalton, who's, as we all know, had his struggles, not only in the postseason, but in primetime games. And let's look at the 3-11 when you combine the primetime and the postseason games. Their completion percentage south of 60, and then the passer rating, not even 70 as to see the 5 more interceptions.
I think that division beat Cincinnati up all year. I mean, we saw all the linebackers basically out. You see A.J. Green and Gresham out. I mean, who'd they play down the stretch? They played all AFC North teams. All of them were beating each other up.
And we saw Dalton into primetime games this year, later in the season, play better.
Yeah, against Denver.
I don't think Andy Dalton is regressing like we saw some quarterbacks do this season.
That said, Steve, then is he the guy to get the Bengals a playoff victory? I mean, we've been asking it now for 4 seasons.
Look, I mean, we're seeing teams, we see some teams in the playoffs that have the quarterbacks. They've got the Aaron Rodgers, the Peyton Mannings, the Tom Brady's. But people are saying the same things about Joe Flacco, right? Oh, no, they're not, because he wins in the postseason.
Right.
But it's just one of those things, he's got to break through. We're saying about Tony Romo, well, he's broken through.
Well, I thought this was going to be the year. With Hugh Jackson, I think that they changed the approach of what they had been doing. And obviously the results weren't any different. But I just think when you take your number 1 receiver, A.J. Green, he's more than just number 1.
There you go.
Yep. I mean, the offense is built around and Jermaine Gresham off the field. I mean, they're playing Burkhead out there, tight end and running back. I mean, they're trying to create offense, and they didn't have the players.
Yeah, if you don't have a defense like Seattle that can lock a team down, that just makes it that much more
difficult. Like you said, Baldy, I'll be Captain Obvious for a minute. It's hard to win in a regular season without your number 1 receiver. So imagine in the postseason without your number 1 guy who brings such an element to any offense. So it was just hard for Andy Dalton to get anything started.